Welcome to this quick tip video. My name's Anne from Orchid Systems, and in this video we're going to address, does AutoSimply Sage 300 Manufacturing integrate with bin tracking? AutoSimply Manufacturing has a number of operations which in turn create IC movements. You have manufacturing orders, Kanban and MO entries, MO backflush entries, which create IC shipments or IC adjustments depending on the type of transaction. Manufacturing issuances by order, by product, etc., which create IC shipments or IC adjustments. And you have MF returns and MF receipts, which create IC adjustments. Bin tracking can be configured for all the manufacturing processes and the underlying IC transactions that MO creates. The configuration that can be done is whether or not the bin transfer document is manually created or auto-created by the underlying transaction or screen, whether or not the bins are auto-allocated or manually allocated, and when auto-allocating you can define the allocation rules, and whether or not to auto-open the bin transfer screen for configured MO screens which are run from the Sage 300 desktop. When bin tracking and manufacturing are activated in the same company database, the AutoSimply screen entries are automatically added into the picking method tab of the BT options. And then per MO screen you can configure whether or not the bin transfer document is automatically created when the source transaction is posted, and whether or not the bins are allocated automatically, either the pick method based on the pick method rules or the put away method based on the put away method rules when the transaction is created. And you can also pop up the bin transfer when posting. So when the manufacturing screen is open and you post the underlying source transaction, the bin transfer document will automatically pop up. But when you are creating or updating the manufacturing transactions using barcode manufacturing, then the underlying IC shipment and IC adjustment transactions that manufacturing creates will be the documents that you need to configure for the bin tracking automations. And now Terence from AutoSimply is going to assist with a demonstration of a manufacturing issuance using the Sage 300 desktop. If you have both bin tracking and manufacturing activated in the same company, in the bin tracking setup options on the picking method tab, all the AutoSimply manufacturing screens will be inserted so you can do the configuration for the create bin transfer, the bin allocation rules for both the pick and the put away, and the pop-up bin transfer for the source screen. And once the configuration has been done for all the transactions, when you go ahead and create or update a manufacturing transactions, in this case we're going to do an issuance for the manufacturing order number 7. And when the quantities are updated and the document is posted, bin tracking will create the associated bin transfer based on the rules that you specified, and in this case we specified to auto pick and to automatically pop up the associated bin transfer. The bins can always be changed if needs be, and when the document is saved it will be auto-completed if it's fully picked or put away. And similarly all the other manufacturing transactions can be configured to integrate with bin tracking. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on how AutoSimply Manufacturing can be configured to work with bin tracking. For more information on bin tracking or AutoSimply Manufacturing, please go to the relevant website.